Okay, so let's talk about some key milestones around cybersecurity, data privacy in general. And anywhere you are in the world today, I can almost say for certainty within your corporate setting, some key things will come up. The popular ones you will see right now will be like GDPR, which is mostly for European member citizens, right? CCPA for California residents, PIPEDA for our Canadian, you know, brothers and sisters, right? So those are three big laws I know you would likely come across immediately around North America. That is a big one out there that we have to always think about. That, okay, as we do our privacy work, short of every state, because every state will have their own internal state privacy laws too. But the big ones, typical, California always have their own thing naturally. So I'm not surprised about CCPA, but they were the pioneers as the main state in the US outside of the capital that had a privacy law. GDPR is a big one. A lot of organizations today, those guys don't mess around. You would get fined. They don't play games at all, and they will fine you very heavy. It's almost like they're already looking for ways to just make money. So they will find you crazy, and their fine is not pretty. So people don't mess with them at all. So if you have European presence, I'll give you a story in the past. Before GDPR kicked in, they used to have a safe harbor law, right? Similar to GDPR. And I was working with a client in Germany in this case. And what typically would have been what I could have sent with a flash online, because of the laws and regulation, I could not do that then. So think about it, a client no minding flying you to a different country from North America with a first class just for you to go install something for them. That is crazy, right? Yeah, because of that law, and they didn't mind then. Okay, yeah, for GDPR, we can't just send files or we can't send information for the purpose of GDPR. Then it was called Safe Harbor, sorry, not before GDPR kicked in. So they take it serious. It's a very serious thing, and they will find you crazy for it. So these are the three popular ones out there today. In general, when we talk about data protection impact assessment, which we'll get into later today, we are talking about what exactly is the asset we are protecting in general, what is the scope of what we are trying to build and protect in general. We're going to think about the process around it. We're going to understand the activities the data is really doing. For example, how is our data stored? What is the data used for, right? At the end of the day, what are the risks around the data? Then the organization will sign off on the data itself at the end of the day. But once we get into the practicality of this, you'll see what I mean.